Hi, welcome to taskbar. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to make your Windows 11 start menu look like Windows XP. So first of all, you need to install a software called Windhawk. So make sure you have connected to the internet. Okay, so installation has been complete. Now click on finish. And then click on browse for mods. And now we need to install taskbar height and icon size. So click on details and then click on install. And then click on accept risk and install. Okay, so now go to Windows XP folder and then go to Windhawk mods folder and then here you can see a text called WinXP taskbar site. Double click on it, copy this code and then click on advanced, then paste the code here and then click on save. Okay, so now we need to install the Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on details and then click on install and click on accept risk and install. Okay, so installation complete. Now go to Windows XP folder again, go to Windhawk mods and then here you can see the Windows XP taskbar with modern logo and Windows XP taskbar with classic logo. So you can choose whatever you want. I'd like to go with classic logo and then copy this code and then click on advanced tab and then paste the code here. Click on save. Okay, before we continue, we need to make some changes on our taskbar. So right click on here, taskbar settings, and then go to taskbar behavior and then select taskbar alignment center to left. Okay, so start menu has been not changed yet, so I need to install the start menu styler. Here you can see Windows 11 start menu styler. Click on details and then click on install, then click on accept risk and install. Okay, now go to Windows XP folder again and then go to Windhawk mods and XP start menu and then copy this code and then click on advanced tab and paste the code here and then click on save. Okay, so start menu has been complete. So we need to remove this navigation panel, so right click on it and click on start settings and then go to folders and disable this. Okay, so now right click on taskbar settings. So as you can see the taskbar has been fixed. Okay, so if you want to if you want to change the notification styler, you need to install a styler called notification styler. Click on explorer and then search for notification. Here you can see the Windows 11 notification center style. Click on details and then click on install and then click on accept risk and install. So while installing, you need to go to Windows XP folder and then go to Windhawk mods, and here you can see the Windows XP notification styler. So copy this code, then go to advanced tab and then paste it here and then click on save. So as you can see, the notification styler has been changed. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.